Hey, Pat and Vanna here. I mean, Wendy and Sue from Northwest Ferments. We were inspired by this book, Cooking with Whey, and we found that there were cocktail recipes in there, and that's where we're at. And so this is, which one is this? The limoncello. So we took whey from making cheese, mixed it with limoncello and a little bit of simple syrup and a little bit of lemon and lime juice, and shook it all up. Ice might make it taste better, but we don't have any. But whey is a byproduct of cheese making, and it's very useful. You can put it into all kinds of soups, smoothies. It adds extra protein. People dehydrate it and take it as a supplement also. But today we're going to try this delicious cocktail.
It's going to be really, really good. I promise.
Cheers.
Salute.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
I'm actually surprised.
I am too. I've been grossed out all day about this.
If she likes it, then it must taste good.
It's good, yeah. Whey doesn't really have a lot of flavor.
I guess not.
It's just kind of been bothering me a little bit. But.
Right, but even though it looks nasty, it's really not too bad.
It's pretty good. All right, it's a keeper. Thanks, Claudia.
Yes, Whey.